I'm about to throw out every single plastic bottle under my sink. I was sick of it. What if I told you that you could get your entire home sparkling clean using simple ingredients you already have? And your cleaning kit could look this insane? Don't click away because this is the only guide you'll ever need to completely destroy your cleaning waste. Subscribe to the channel right now. I challenge you to click the subscribe button and ring the bell in the next 5 seconds. Do it! My secret is this low-waste cleaning kit that is so simple. I use these glass spray bottles for literally everything. Paired with some insane reusable cloths, a really good scrub brush, and a few secret ingredients, this is all you need to win. But listen, the most insane product is the one you already own, so we're all making a pact. Use everything you have before you buy a single new thing. Step 1. The kitchen. The kitchen is where the craziest challenges happen, and it has the biggest messes. First, we are destroying this greasy stovetop and these sticky countertops. My ultimate weapon is this all-purpose spray. It's just equal parts water and white vinegar. That's it. The vinegar annihilates grease and grime. For a crazy fresh scent, I'll add a few drops of lemon essential oil. Just spray it on, let it sit for literally 1 minute, and wipe it clean. Gone. Now, huge warning. Vinegar is a legendary cleaner, but it's not an EPA-registered disinfectant, so it does not kill all the germs. For any surface that touches raw meat, you should use a proper disinfectant. Next, we are challenging this stained sink. You don't need some crazy, harsh chemical for this. Just grab baking soda and absolutely cover the sink. Add a tiny bit of water or dish soap to make a paste. And scrub. It's a mild abrasive that works miracles without scratching anything, leaving your sink looking brand new. And for the floors? I use a super concentrated solution that is mind-blowing. Just a single drop of Castile soap in a bucket of warm water is all it takes. The floors are left perfectly clean with zero sticky residue. Step 2. The bathroom. All right, it's time for the final challenge. The bathroom. This is where we face the toughest jobs. Soap scum and shower grime can seem impossible. A paste of baking soda and dish soap is our first attack for scrubbing everything down. For the most extreme, built-up soap scum, an acid cleaner is the only thing that works. So we follow up by spraying our vinegar and water solution, letting it sit, and then the grime just melts away. And what about the toilet? People can't believe this works, but it's easier than you think. To obliterate mineral rings and freshen the whole thing, spray white vinegar all over the bowl and under the rim. Let it sit for as long as possible. Overnight is insane. Then scrub and flush. You can also make your own toilet freshening bombs with baking soda and citric acid to drop in between the deep cleans. Quick swaps and product recommendations. I get it, DIY is not for everyone, and some products are impossible to replace. That's where these game-changing swaps come in. Instead of wasting money on paper towels, I use these Swedish dishcloths. They absorb a ridiculous amount of liquid. You can wash and reuse them 100 times, and when they're finally defeated, a lot of them are 100% compostable. Another absolute game-changer has been switching to refill systems for hand soap and cleaners. Switching to this has literally erased almost all the single-use plastic in my house. For laundry, instead of those giant plastic jugs, I now use detergent sheets or super concentrated liquids. We put them to the test, and while some reviews show they might not beat the most insane stains like some old-school liquids, they work perfectly for almost all of my laundry and have eliminated a gigantic source of plastic waste in my house. Click the link in the description box to join our free cleaning community. What's your best DIY recipe or low-waste swap? I want to see what you've got. And if this guide helped you, you have to like this video and subscribe for more insane tips.